Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyla and this is boom, LCTrades. You already know. So this is going to be a quick recap of the video I just posted like 2 days ago. Because the markets have changed, I wanted to give you guys my re-edited weekly analysis. It's kind of like an update video, but we'll see. Let's just get into it. So in the previous video, you could see that we talked about GA, right? So I said that I either take GA to, let me get my, first of all, let me get my tool out. All right, so I said I will either take GA to the upside or to the downside. It gave me the correction that I needed. So this was a indication, correction, continuation. So we hopped in. So I got in at this candle right here. I waited for it to close, and now I'm going to just be taking it down to this TP level. I think it's still possible for you guys to jump in. Just got to wait for a pullback and to continue to take it to the downside, okay? So that's GA as of right now. Then we have GBP USD. So, wow. Okay, so, okay. This trade you cannot get into until it pulls back, but this was kind of the indication I needed. I think I had GU for sells last week. Yeah, because these are my TPs. But things change when obviously it gave us an indication, correction, and a continuation to the upside. So we have an indication here, correction down here, and this is our continuation candle. I was just going to take it to this minor seller box that I have, but right now I'm not taking it anywhere because it already took off. That's the 1 hour, 30-minute. Yeah, everything already took off. So GU, if you do want to get in, you got to wait for a pullback. It is going to go up to this yellow box. I have high hopes, not hopes, but you know, just based off the market, it's going to go up to the yellow box. So if anything, I would wait for a pullback, probably like right here, but I don't know because the risk to reward doesn't make sense. I think it would have to be like something like this. It would have to look like, but again, just follow my Instagram and I'll keep you up to date with that. But GU is definitely, I feel it is going to this yellow box right here. So that 1.3325 level. So the next one we have is CAD JPY. So honestly, I know I had CAD JPY for sells. No, I had it for buys actually because of the inverted head and shoulders. So it already broke above. It's giving us that retest at the neckline of the head and shoulders. Also giving us an indication, making a correction. So that next candle, that continuation candle, we're gonna take it to the upside for sure. So just keep updated with that. Again, follow my Instagram. I did let you guys know when I got into GA. So like I said, just follow the Instagram. I'll tell you when I get into stuff or when you should get into stuff. So yeah, right now it's doing a correction. We're gonna wait for that continuation candle to break above this box, and then we're gonna take it to the upside. Cool. Those are my top three. Then we have gold. I think gold is gonna move probably a little bit towards the end of the week, maybe tomorrow, but maybe tonight. I don't know. But as you all know, we're waiting for gold to buy. So we already have that indication right here. We have that nice correction. We're waiting for a continuation candle, just a break and close above this area, and we're taking it to the moon. So that's my take on gold. My take on gold still stands. I'm still looking for buys. Euro USD. I know I was looking for sells, but it broke past the trend line. So we could get rid of that. And it's definitely gonna go up to this box right here, but Euro USD already took off, so it's kind of too late for that. So if anything, just I don't know, like you gotta wait. Like it's not a trade you could get in right now. If you get in right now, probably gonna pull back. So just gotta wait. It's hopefully it could break above this box so we could take it to the upside, but it might hit this box and drop back down. We don't know. But it's definitely I feel like gonna go to this box or this area right here. Next one is GBP JPY, which took off. I think I was looking for sells with this one. Yeah, I believe I was looking for sells, but as of right now, it is heading to the upside. Ignore the notes that I have on all these pairs because I didn't update them. I just wanted to make this quick video. So gave us an indication, minor correction. Let me see the 1 hour. Minor correction. And then that continuation candle is right here. So honestly, GJ took off already too. So yeah, took off amazingly actually. When did it start taking off? Around 2 a.m. 2 a.m. it took off, so around London session. I could see GJ going up here, but if you're interested in getting GJ now, you definitely have to wait for a pullback for sure. So GJ is a non-contender right now. It kind of took off already. And then USD CAD, this should be up here. This is my fourth favorite. So I know I had it for buys, but right now it gave us that indication for it already gave us the indication. Wait, 4 hour. It already gave us the indication we needed for the sells. So as of right now, had the correction, a huge correction, just waiting for a continuation candle to close beneath this box, and then we're just gonna take it down to about this area right here. There is a double top too, and that shows signs of sells. So yeah, that's about it. So GA, just wait. I'll post if you should hop in or not, or when you should hop in. GU, definitely get it's buys, but you gotta wait. CJ is definitely looking like buys, but you gotta wait for that continuation candle. Gold, 100% buys, 100% buys on gold. Euro USD took off already. GJ's took off already. USD CAD is still pending. We can actually move that up here. USD CAD pending for sales now. And that's good because if USD CAD sells, that means gold is definitely going up. So, hopefully we get in that. But thank you guys for watching. It was just a quick little update. Just wanted to give you guys, how I'm thinking about the markets now. And, make sure you follow the channel, follow the Instagram so that you could be up to date as well, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Have a good rest of your day.